Yeah, I'm very excited.
That's awesome. You know, I'm so glad to have you guys here. What we're going to try to do tonight as well with Sonic Boom is introduce 2 new characters to the Sonic family. The first of which is called Styx. Now, some of you may know Styx. Styx is a jungle badger who spent most of her time living in the wilderness.
Excuse me.
Wait, I think you heard, is that you, Styx?
Yeah, this is Styx. Are you the snowman?
Snowman. No, I think there's been a misunderstanding.
You know, Snowman, I'm happy to be here. This is a nice event. It distracts me from the government agents who are trying to replace my plants with violins.
Okay, so that's Styx. We've also got...
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, Styx.
Am I in the right place? Because they told me that,
Yeah, you're in the right place, but you may not be here for the right reasons.
What does that mean?
Never mind.
You know, you don't make any sense.
Okay, Styx, ladies and gentlemen. So in the Sonic Boom games, which I hope you'll all play over there, we've got 4 playable characters. We got Amy in the Wii U version, we got Styx, who we just heard from, in the Nintendo 3DS version. We have crystal collectibles in both games that give your characters additional powers and abilities. We've also got new levels, environments for you all to explore and have fun and discover this new world. And we also have this new ability for these characters to allow them to defeat enemies and interact with the world in a new way. It's called the Enter Beam, and basically it's going to show up in both games and also appear in the cartoon, so it's a big deal for us. And last but not least, we also have a terrifying new villain. You know, obviously we have Eggman, who's terrifying in his own right, but we have another one called Lyric the Last Ancient. And now, so Lyric's is tech-savvy, kind of giant snake. He's in a sophisticated body of armor that he uses to kind of carry out his nefarious deeds. He's a very formidable enemy, and definitely a force to be reckoned with. So it's going to take Sonic and all of his team's abilities to take out this new guy. But he'll have to wait, because first, you know, let's jump right into it. Let's get some fabulous music from Jun and Ohtani-san. That we got for tonight. So let's give him one more round of applause. Jun and Ohtani-san. Now, I'm really proud to start things off with a very special guest. You know, he's been directly responsible for, I don't know how many endless hours of fun for pretty much every person in this room. It's Takashi Iizuka, you know, head of Sonic team, designer. He's going to be coming up here and chatting with us a little bit. He's been really busy, so let's welcome him, Iizuka-san, to the stage, guys. Or is he coming?